All right, guys, we got a mail day today. Stiff upper lip, Gilded, number 234 of 300. I think he designed this about, I want to say 10 months ago. It was his 24-hour live deck. So we got the Gilded version. It's in the classic matchbox tuck box. Same as the Tiger series if you have those. First impressions, I love the artwork. I mean, we saw it on the live if you were a part of it. Saw it as it was coming, but it's nice to physically hold it in hand and give it a look. So we're gonna open it up. Oh, that didn't work very well. Oh no, the seller got stuck to it a little bit here. It's all right though. When all else fails, perks of being a deck cutter. So I always got a knife. Oh man, yeah, cell is really bad on this one, looks like. This is, I think, the worst one I've had. It's stuck pretty bad, peeling off the tuck. That's not cool. Well, it is what it is. All right. Hopefully I don't make too many people cringe when I do this, but I'm going to cut the seal. Just like that. See if we can get it folded back here. Perfect. All right, so definitely like the style. This one looks pretty cool. Flip around here. It's got your match card. See if there was anything special inside here. Sometimes the inside of his tuck boxes have little secrets. So here we go. I do like that the deck does come in cello as well. No seal. Kind of a bummer. I mean, a double seal doesn't really make sense, but would be cool to see. So let's get this bad boy open if I can find it here. How many people are cringing watching me use this knife? It's definitely being difficult. All right. This looks like they went with more of an aqua gilding. It's got a little bit of flake in it, which is kind of cool. So let's have a look here. Really cool back design. I think I'm gonna actually cut this one. Not really sure though, we'll see. Cool jokers. It's interesting, I kind of thought they might be a diptych joker with kind of what path he takes on his jokers, but I'm definitely not disappointed in how they look. I do like the contrast in black and white and color. Really cool ace of spades. This is when, I think he was designing this when I logged in to the live. I do like how it's kind of got that rustic, it's almost like an old paper look to it. Rounded pips, nice and big, easy to see. Quartz are all variations of the bulldog, really cool. It's definitely got kind of a like an older vintage feel to it that I do like a lot. Cards aren't sticking to each other really bad, which is nice. Some Gilded decks, as everybody knows, get pretty clumpy. For the most part though, it's not too bad. A few of them sticking together, but not terrible. So looks like we got art card, single backer, like that. Moment of truth, Gilded deck, which does look pretty nice if you get the lighting right. I do like that color. Let's see if they fan. A little clumpy. Not terrible though. But all in all, not disappointed. It was pretty cool to see him make this live. It's always interesting to watch the thought process as it goes, and just kind of see it all come together. Nice to hold the physical deck now that it is done. So there it is, stiff upper lip, gilded. I kind of want to get a match, try that strike plate, see if it works, but yep, there we go. Till next time.